My child, open this right now because the season you have been waiting for is finally beginning to unfold. What once felt delayed is suddenly shifting. What felt blocked is beginning to move. And heaven is aligning things faster than you realize. You cannot wait any longer to hear this because the prayers you thought were unanswered have already started moving in the unseen. I brought you here today because this is the beginning of the shift you have been crying out for. Comment Amen if you believe heaven is about to move in your life. My child, listen carefully. The atmosphere around your life is changing. The heaviness that followed you for so long is beginning to break. The doors that refused to open are starting to move. Things that looked impossible are slowly aligning in ways you cannot yet fully see. I know there were moments when you thought nothing would ever change. Delay after delay, silence after silence. But what you could not see was that I was positioning everything at the right time. I was protecting you from stepping into things too early. I was preparing blessings strong enough to last in your life. And now, the shift is here. Do not ignore the feeling inside your spirit lately. You have sensed that something is changing. Certain people are drifting away. Situations are beginning to move differently. Those are not random events. That is me aligning your next season. I need you to stay close to me now more than ever because the enemy can feel the shift too. That is why distractions increase lately. That is why fear keeps trying to speak louder than faith. The enemy wants you discouraged before you fully step into what I prepared for you. But my child, what I have spoken over your life cannot be stopped. No delay can cancel it. No person can destroy it. No fear can block what heaven has already released for you. You are closer than you think. Closer to peace. Closer to restoration. Closer to the breakthrough you almost gave up on. My child, protect your spirit in this season. Not everyone around you will understand what I am doing in your life. Some people will speak doubt because they cannot see what heaven is preparing for you. Do not allow their fear to enter your heart. Stay focused on my voice. This is not the time to lose hope. This is the time to trust me deeper than before. The waiting season is ending. The confusion is lifting. The heaviness is breaking. And the peace you prayed for is beginning to enter your life. You asked me for a sign, and this message is part of that answer. I brought you here because I needed your spirit awake for what is coming next. You have spent too long believing nothing would change. But suddenly, everything is beginning to move at once. My child, this is your confirmation. Heaven has not forgotten you. I have not abandoned you. And what is coming into your life will remind you why I made you wait. So breathe again. Trust me again. Believe again. Because the shift has already started, and your next season is closer than you realize.